Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're reviewing the top 5 best synthetic motor oils in 2025 that deliver superior engine protection, smoother performance, and longer life for your vehicle. Whether you drive daily or push your car to the limit, these oils are designed to keep your engine running clean and efficient. Stay tuned to discover which motor oil is the perfect match for your car. Number 5. Today we're reviewing the Castrol GTX High Mileage 5W-30 Synthetic Blend Motor Oil, 5 quarts, a trusted choice for vehicles with over 75,000 miles. Designed for cars, trucks, and SUVs, this oil offers a universal fit and delivers advanced protection for aging engines. One of its standout features is phosphorus replacement technology, which helps extend the life of emission systems, a crucial benefit for high-mileage vehicles. It also provides superior dispersancy to fight sludge buildup and includes seal conditioners that help reduce leaks, a common issue in older engines. On top of that, it exceeds industry standards for oil burn-off protection and incorporates advanced additives to minimize engine wear while improving fuel economy. This oil meets or exceeds specifications such as API-SP, SN+, ILSAC GF6, and 4WSS standards, making it a reliable, industry-proven option. Customer feedback highlights its effectiveness. One user reported running it in a 20-year-old Lexus GX, noting smooth performance, clean oil after 5,000 miles, and no burning between changes plus excellent value during promotions. Another user praised its consistency in keeping their high-mileage engine running smoothly and efficiently. If your vehicle has crossed the 75,000-mile mark, Castrol GTX High Mileage 5W-30 is a fantastic option to keep your engine protected, efficient, and long-lasting. Number 4. Today we're reviewing the Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil 5W-30 5-quart, one of the most trusted motor oils for performance, protection, and long-lasting engine health. Mobil 1 uses its signature triple action formula, designed to deliver outstanding performance, superior protection, and exceptional cleanliness. It helps shield critical engine parts for up to 10,000 miles between oil changes, while controlling oxidation to prevent breakdown and maintaining stable viscosity. Meeting ILSAC GF6 standards, it offers protection against low-speed pre-ignition, timing chain wear, and sludge, while also improving fuel economy. Another key benefit is its temperature protection, withstanding internal engine heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, while providing reliable performance in extreme cold down to -30 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it an excellent year-round oil for drivers in any climate. User reviews reflect its quality. One customer noted smoother cold starts, improved fuel efficiency, and a quieter, cleaner-running engine, adding that while it costs more than regular oil, the reliability makes it worth every penny. Another reviewer shared that Mobil 1 is their go-to oil for every vehicle, keeping engines in excellent condition. If you're looking for a premium oil that balances long-lasting protection, efficiency, and top-tier performance, Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic 5W-30 is a choice you can trust. Number 3. Today we're taking a look at Valvoline Full Synthetic High Mileage with MaxLife Technology 5W-20 Motor Oil, 5 quarts, an excellent choice for vehicles with over 75,000 miles that need extra protection to stay strong on the road. This full synthetic formula is enhanced with MaxLife technology, specifically engineered to prevent engine breakdown in aging vehicles. It contains seal conditioners that help prevent and treat oil leaks while minimizing oil consumption, one of the most common concerns in high-mileage engines. With 50% better wear protection than the industry standard and 25% more defense against deposits, sludge, corrosion, and rust, this oil is designed to maximize engine life. It meets or exceeds ILSAC GF6A and API-SP by SN standards, ensuring advanced protection and reliability. Proudly American-made, Valvoline has been trusted for more than 150 years as one of the most reliable motor oil brands. User feedback backs this up. One customer mentioned using it in a 2014 Honda CR-V with over 145,000 miles, reporting reduced oil consumption and excellent oil analysis results at 6,000-mile intervals. Another reviewer praised its ability to keep their high-mileage engine running smoother and quieter, even in high temperatures. If your vehicle has crossed the 75,000-mile mark, Valvoline High Mileage Full Synthetic 5W to 20 is a dependable, affordable way to extend your engine's life. Number 2. Today we're reviewing the Royal Purple Roy 51020 API licensed SAE0W to 20 high-performance synthetic motor oil, 5 quarts, a premium option trusted by car enthusiasts and professionals alike. Royal Purple is known for engineering oils that provide better wear protection and superior engine performance. This 0W20 formula is designed to increase fuel efficiency, safeguard the catalytic emission system, and deliver excellent performance under demanding driving conditions. It also offers enhanced compatibility with ethanol-blended fuels, making it versatile for today's gasoline engines. Another standout benefit is its corrosion protection, which helps extend engine life and maintain internal cleanliness over time. Specifically formulated as a vehicle-specific fit, this motor oil ensures optimal lubrication tailored to your engine's needs. User reviews highlight its long-term reliability. One customer shared that they've been using Royal Purple since 30,000 miles on their vehicle, and now with over 186,000 miles, the motor still runs strong. Another reviewer noted that it's their only choice for a 2022 Ram 1500, stating they wouldn't use any other oil. If you're looking for a high-performance synthetic oil that goes beyond industry standards with proven results in both longevity and protection, Royal Purple Roy 51020W to 20 is a fantastic choice to keep your engine running like new. Number 1. Today we're reviewing the Pennzoil Platinum Euro Full Synthetic 5W to 40 motor oil, 1 quart, 6-pack, a premium oil made from natural gas, not crude, to deliver cleaner performance and maximum engine protection. Specifically formulated for modern light-duty diesel and high-performance European vehicles, this oil is approved for brands like Fiat, Mercedes-Benz, Porsche, Renault, and Volkswagen. It helps extend engine life with Pennzoil's guarantee of up to 15 years or 500,000 miles of protection when used as directed. Performance-wise, it offers faster low-temperature oil flow, excellent high heat protection, and safeguards horsepower by keeping the engine closer to factory clean. It also supports better fuel economy, meeting or exceeding API-SP, ASEA A3 by B3, 3 by B4, and multiple OEM approvals, including BMW LL01, Mercedes-Benz 229.5, Porsche A40, and VW 50200 by 50500. Customer reviews speak volumes. One user highlighted that this is the only oil recommended by Ferrari in the USA, praising its outstanding quality and value when purchased online. Another noted that it meets all the specs for their diesel Colorado, saving them a costly trip to the dealership while still delivering top performance. If you drive a European or high-performance vehicle, Pennzoil Platinum Euro 5W to 40 is a reliable, affordable, and OEM-approved solution for long-lasting protection and efficiency. That wraps up our review of the top 5 best synthetic motor oils in 2025. Each of these options is engineered to give your engine maximum protection, improved performance, and long-lasting reliability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car care reviews and tips. Drop a comment below and let us know which motor oil you trust most for your vehicle.